In this video, I have a bunch of books that I want to share with you that have all gone viral by using a very easily and totally free method. Plus, all of these books are low content books and they are all self-published books. Hi, I'm Caroline. Welcome to my channel. I share videos every single week all about self-publishing books, and you're watching one of them right now, so thank you so much for taking time out of your day to join me here. Do you look at other self-published books that are selling huge amounts every single month and wonder how they did it? Have you self-published your own book or books but are yet to see any kind of substantial sales? Usually it is recommended to run Amazon ads as soon as you publish a new book to help kickstart the sales and push your book into the Amazon algorithm so that it picks up your book and pushes it in the search results. But maybe you don't have a budget for ads, or maybe you just don't want to spend money on ads. Or even if you do decide to run ads, adding other ways to promote your book is a really great part of a marketing strategy. I do highly recommend to have multiple ways to promote your books, free methods as well as paid methods. And I feel like most people are looking for free ways to promote their books. And the most common way to promote your book for free is through social media. But this can be a little bit intimidating because it can be a little bit time intensive, and a lot of us just don't really want to have our face out there on social media. We just want to publish books, right? We don't want to be like some influencer filming ourselves daily just to promote our books. But there is a way that you can promote your books for free using short form video content that you don't ever have to show your face or your voice in if you really don't want to. And even without showing yourself in these videos, your books can still go viral and become bestsellers. I'm going to show you some real life examples of self-publishers using free social media methods to increase their book sales and build their self-publishing business. So I hope that you can look at these books and these self-publishers that we're going to go through in a moment and take some of their marketing strategies, some of the ways that they create their videos, and hopefully be able to apply them to your own self-publishing business. The free method that we are looking at today is by using TikTok. I have shared quite a few videos on my channel about self-publishers using TikTok to create massive sales of their books, like this shadow work journal that used TikTok to become the best-selling low content book on Amazon. What I do love about TikTok is that it is producing really insane results, specifically in the book niche. And what's great about TikTok is that it doesn't favor those larger accounts. So the TikTok algorithm does not take into account your follow count, how many people view your videos, how your previous videos have performed. All it cares about is the most recent video, the video that you've just uploaded, and how it's performing, how its audiences are reacting to that most recent video. So even if you post 100 videos and get hardly any views, the 101st video could be the one to go viral. Now, if you're not interested in using TikTok or any other social media platform to promote your books, you might want to still keep watching this video because I'll be looking at some low and medium content books that we have never looked at on my channel before. So you might be able to pull some niche ideas and some really different ideas of some low content books that you could make for yourself. But I'll also be showing you these examples because the majority of them are faceless accounts, meaning the owner of that account does not show their face in the videos, which is perfect for those of you who do not want to put your face out onto social media accounts connected with your books or your self-publishing business. So let's get onto TikTok and see how these books are being promoted using TikTok and using short form video content. The first set of books that we are going to look at today are activity books for adults, and these are specifically aimed at certain mental health issues, and these books are trying to help people clear their mind, calm their mind, and give a little bit of time for self-care and to help their mental health. The first one that we can look at, we can see what's inside the book. It's the person basically just using the book and showing their audience what these books are all about. The second video we've got here is another page within the book, basically just somebody opening the book, showing a page, showing how to use the pages within the book. There is no face in the video. there is no voice in the video. And these are their two most popular videos. One of them has 8.6 million views and the other has 5.5 million views. And they have books targeting people with anxiety, which are some of their more popular books, but also ADHD, stress, and depression. And really, just looking at these videos and the insides of these books, they're very simple. They're not elaborate. They don't have elaborate illustrations, elaborate images, elaborate activities in them. These are very simple books that have targeted some very common mental health issues and are trying to provide a solution for those people who are dealing with those issues, and then just sharing them on this free platform. And so I thought it was really important to look at the types of videos that are being shared by this TikTok account, because anybody can make these kind of videos. All you need is your phone and the book. There isn't even any sort of nice background going on there. She obviously has nice nails. You don't even have to go get your nails done to do this sort of thing. And even though their top 2 videos have millions and millions of views, the rest of their videos that they upload still get thousands of views on them. And every video is just the same, just a hand opening the book and showing the inside of it, doing a bit of a demonstration on how to use the book. Also, one other thing is that I came across a second account called Yes, I Have Anxiety, and it seems as though they have 2 TikTok accounts. And this is something I see quite often with accounts that are promoting books, is that they will have multiple accounts. Now, I'm not actually too sure if these 2 people, the 2 owners of these accounts, know each other or are connected in any way. I couldn't figure that out through their website or anything like that. They may know each other because they both have links directly to the website of these books, but both accounts have videos that have huge amounts of views on some of their videos. Looking at this second account that I came across, one video has 22.5 million views, and it's the exact same style: a hand opening the book, showing inside the book, and doing some of the activities within it. So that's another strategy that you could implement, is creating multiple accounts to share your books in. Okay, the next book that we are going to look at is a book that I have never, or a niche that I have never shared on my channel before. So this could be a very interesting niche to look at and see if maybe these kinds of books would interest you, something you might want to publish. And this is Korean handwriting practice books, which are more of a medium content book. You can see in the videos they do have a bit of content within them. And of course, there are so many different languages out there that you could do this for. So if you do speak languages other than English, or if you are happy to hire somebody who speaks other languages who could create or help you create pages like this in a different language, this could be a really great niche for you to get into. Let's take a look at this TikTok account and see the kinds of videos that they create and share. This video and a couple of their videos do have the person's face. Again, that is not important. In fact, the video that has the most amount of views, 5.7 million, is just a video of someone's hand using this handwriting practice workbook, just demonstrating how to write in Korean. And although there is a couple of videos with the person's face in them, the majority of them are not. The majority of them are just showing this book and showing how to use the book. Again, anybody can make these videos. They're very simple. Just set your phone up or a camera if you have it, showing your hands and you using your book. It's as simple as that. And there are so many people out there who want to learn different languages, who want to learn how to write in different languages, that you could really create a whole brand around something like this, around a book like this. But the point of this video is not about the niche itself, but about these videos. And so it doesn't matter what kind of book you have. You could have any kind of activity book, puzzle book, and you can still create videos exactly like this. The idea of them is basically just showing the book and showing how to use it so that people who are watching these videos know exactly what they're going to get. They know exactly how the books are going to help them and what they're going to get out of it. Okay, the next account that I want to share with you is all about handwriting practice. Now, admittedly, this account, this person doesn't publish books by the look of it, but they do publish or create and sell handwriting practice sheets, which you could do yourself if you are more into selling printables, but you could also take these kind of pages and create a book out of them. And most of the time when I talk about handwriting practice in any videos on my channel. It's usually handwriting practice for kids when they are learning how to write, but this one is a little bit different because it's targeting adults who want to improve their handwriting. So it's a little bit different to the usual. It's a little bit of a different target audience, different target market. Let's take a look at this account and their videos. So it does have quite a lot of followers on this account, over 650,000 and 20.4 million likes. Their most popular videos, which are the pinned videos, have 6.2 million views, 13.9 million views, and 3.6 million views. And although these videos are the person showing her handwriting practice on an iPad or a tablet, there are a lot of videos where in fact, most of her videos are her writing within a notebook. And again, super simple videos. These ones are a little bit more aesthetic, where she's got, some nice colored pens in the background and things like that. But it is just hands using pens in a notebook. Again, and I'm going to say this over and over, something any of us can do. Very, very simple videos, but people just seem to love them. And so these are the practice sheets that she sells and creates. She says this is how she improved her handwriting, and then she's just showing how to use these sheets. So you can see that they're just very simple sheets with letters that could be converted into a book if you wanted to. But the point is, these extremely simple videos that generate tens and hundreds of thousands of views on a daily basis, and they're all very, very similar. She doesn't deviate from what works for her. And even though this sort of thing could be time consuming in terms of creating TikTok videos on a daily basis, once you find your aesthetic, your type of video that you like making and that your viewers and your followers like you to create, it will become very quick and easy, because you'll be sort of just replicating the same videos over and over again once you know which videos it is that do well for you and your books. Okay, next up, I have a journal that I want to share with you, and this is just a blank journal targeting people who have anxiety, but any type of blank journal can take the place of this one. It doesn't have to be just about anxiety, although that is really narrowing down and focusing on one particular problem, one particular issue that a lot of people deal with, but it's all about how they are promoting it and the kinds of videos that they're creating. As we can see, they have a very small account, only 24 followers, and the reason I wanted to show you this one is with that small amount of followers, their videos are still getting hundreds of views, and then they've had one that has taken off. So they created 5 videos, their 6th one went slightly viral. And this type of book, this type of journal is a true low content book, and it doesn't even have lines. They are just blank pages. Firstly, as I say, it's targeting something that a huge amount of people are dealing with these days, anxiety, and it shows creative ways that people can use the journal. So they're not journaling long, extensive journal entries. They are just writing one simple statement in that journal, which is resonating with people. Just like every account that we've looked at so far, it is just somebody using the book and showing what the book looks like, showing how to use the book. This one, they've gone for this cozy vibe. It looks like they've got some nice lighting or a candle or something, or even maybe the sun shining in on the book. It's more of a darker feel to it. But just continuing on with this style of video, creating these pages where they're writing these statements that at some point people are going to go, yes, I feel like that too. And that's when more of their videos are going to take off. So just finding that style of video that they like making and that works for their book, and then continuing to post these videos is what is going to work. Now, the next couple of books and accounts that I'm going to be sharing are going to be all about coloring books, because I cannot go past coloring books. They are so easy to promote on TikTok, and they just do extremely well with this short form video content. The first account I want to look at is ISAColors. Not a huge account by any means, 64.5 thousand followers, and this is an account that actually doesn't sell books. They just like to color and create videos about coloring. So they create these ASMR videos. ASMR videos are videos that don't have any kind of music or sounds in the background. It's just the sound of the person doing whatever they're doing. These relaxing videos that help people when they have a bit of sensory overload. But I want to show this account to show the power of these extremely simple videos, and not just extremely simple videos, videos, but extremely simple coloring pages. When we look at the top 3 videos that have been pinned here, millions and millions of views just watching somebody color in an extremely simple coloring page. So this one has 5.8 million views, and it is just a printed page, the person's hand, and they're coloring in that page. And so if you publish coloring books, you just need to get a copy of your coloring book, get some pens or pencils, whatever medium it is you want to use. You don't even have to be any kind of artist, and that's the great thing about coloring books, is that anybody can still benefit from coloring books. And that's the great thing about art. You don't have to be perfect, you don't have to be a world-class artist, and just coloring in a page as simple as this is getting millions and millions of views. So with the amount of views that these videos get, imagine what it would be like for this account, for this person, if they were actually selling coloring books. And it's just a really great example of how the TikTok algorithm works. The fact that this person doesn't have a massive amount of people following them, but their videos consistently do well. So aside from the few that have had the millions and millions of views, every other video still is getting thousands and thousands of views. If you've got a coloring book that you're selling on Amazon and you're posting on TikTok and your videos about your book are getting 10, 20,000 views on each one, that is just going to be absolutely incredible for your sales on Amazon. And the last account that we're going to look at today in this video is another coloring book, and this one has gone down the path of these really aesthetic desk setup coloring page type videos, which again, I'm repeating myself over and over, but anybody can do this. Another quite small account, in fact, most of the ones we've looked at today haven't had a huge amount of followers in the grand scheme of things. Their videos have had millions of views, and then the ones who haven't technically gone viral are still getting thousands and thousands of views. And you could easily set up a really nice space on a desk, get your coloring book and color it in, and just film your hands doing that. And so what happens is people in the comments ask where to get this book. As you can see here, where did you get the coloring book and marker? Now, once you have enough followers, you can put links in your bio to your books, whether that be your books on Amazon, or if you have decided to also sell them through a website or something like that, wherever you want to link to, you put a link to that. That is once you have 1,000 followers. Prior to that, before you can put a link in your bio, when people ask where to get something, just put in the comments, get it from Amazon, search for, and then maybe pop the title of the book in there so that they know what to search for when they go into Amazon. But at the end of the day, all these videos that I've showed so far are very similar style. And I want to show that so that you can see you don't have to create really time-consuming, elaborate videos. You don't have to have your face in these videos. You don't have to have your voice in these videos. Pretty much just set up an area where you can film yourself showing your book and showing how to use your book. And so that was the last set of books and TikTok account that we are going to look at today. I have shared several videos in the past like this, going through TikTok and finding low content books and how they're promoted through TikTok. And I have some more videos coming in the next couple months, which are going to share even more low and medium content books and how much success they're getting from being promoted on TikTok. And I just really hope that you can see that by looking at these accounts, looking at these books, just how simple your videos can be to be able to see success with TikTok. The keys to success with TikTok is consistency and being persistent, because I did mention this earlier in the video, but one of the great things about TikTok and its algorithm is that it doesn't take into account how many followers you have or how your previous videos have performed. That's why you will consistently see these smaller accounts, which smaller in terms of follower count, have videos that have millions and millions of views. It's about what just happens to take off that day. If you upload a video and people just pick up on it, they resonate with it, they enjoy it, they share it, TikTok will just keep showing it to more and more people. You do need to make a commitment to spending time each day or each week to create and upload videos daily if you can, and just stay consistent with it, because you never know which video is going to be the one to take off, go viral, and push your book into bestseller status. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.